Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nishi and this is your monthly reading. So today I'm going to be reading for 6 signs from Aries to Virgo. This is your monthly reading, monthly predictions. It's a general reading, may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't, it's okay. Don't try to fit in. Basically, I'm going to be predicting how your future, your life is going to be from February 15th through February 28th. Hi Aries, welcome back to your monthly reading. This reading is valid from February 15th to February 28th, okay? Let's see how your energies are going to be for these 13-14 days, I guess. Aries Lagna, Aries Moon. Okay. Aries, I see a very childlike innocence in you for the next 13-14 days. I think a lot of you will try to connect with your hobbies, your childhood hobbies, your memories from the childhood. You'll try to entertain the child in you. You may also spend a lot of time with children in the coming days. Although, I do see that, later on, after a few days, you may feel like a little lonely, okay? आपको ऐसा लग सकता है कि like आपके साथ कोई है नहीं और काफ़ी आप अकेला फील कर सकते हो. I also feel that you may also see like dreams of people who are no longer there in your life. So maybe they are in the spirit world or maybe they are not there in your life in general. Okay, so आपको काफ़ी सपने भी आ सकते हैं ऐसे लोगों के. You may start missing them. You may start feeling nostalgic about them. Just I would say after 7 to 8 days, आप थोड़ा सा ये देखना, are your dreams trying to communicate with you? Because I think they will. Okay. So let's just see a general future कि कैसा जाने वाला है 15 February through February 28. Okay, you'll see lot of my cats coming over. उम्मी हट जाओ बेटा, हटो. You'll see my cats guys, just don't mind. Okay. February 15 to February 28 in general कैसा जाने वाला है for Aries. February 15 to February 28. What's the general future? Wow. Okay. What's going on, guys? Seeing a lot of resistance in your family life, home life, marriage life, relationships. Okay. Somewhere it's either you or maybe the person you're dealing with is not opening up. Okay. Putting a lot of restrictions on this connection, on this relationship. Either you are already in a no contact situation with your partner or maybe you will be in the coming days. So just be careful, okay, around that. Okay, I'm hearing like, be a little soft when you communicate. So maybe, your tone and your words and the way you're talking to people may also become a problem for you. So just be careful there, okay? I think, for the coming days, I don't see you being able to focus on your work as well. You are trying, but nahi ho pa raha hai, okay? You are trying your level best, but somehow your mind is not stable. Things don't seem to align for you and you are just very like all over the place. You want to try this and then in the end of the day you are not able to do any of that. Okay, थोड़ा सा आपको फोकस रहने की यहाँ मुझे लगता है ज़रूरत है, बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस रहने की ज़रूरत है. Try one thing at a time. Okay, let's just see कि आपका करियर कैसा रहेगा. For this is especially for your career. So February 15 to February 28. Aries Lagna and Moon. Aries Lagna and Moon, career कैसा रहेगा महादेव, हमें प्लीज़ बताइए. Aries Lagna and Moon, career. अरे यार उठाना पड़ेगा अब. Aries Lagna and Moon. Aries Lagna and Moon. I'm seeing a lady luck for you Aries. So if you're married, could be your wife who could bring a lot of luck in your wealth. Okay, if you're a female yourself, then maybe you're another female friend, or I think like someone is trying to help you in your career, either to find a job or to somehow save more money, accumulate more wealth, maybe help you with more ideas as in how you can bring or earn more money in your life. Okay, I feel like irrespective of your gender, I feel like you're going to receive help from a feminine figure, female figure in your career. Especially February is also about no nonsense for you, as in if there is anyone trying to beat around the bush or trying to manipulate the situation at your workplace, you don't want to give any attention to that person. You don't give a damn about that person, and in fact I see that if it requires for you to leave the organization, you may also do that. Okay, but considering the current situation in the market, your guides want you to be practical when you take any random decision, any rash decision when it comes to your career. Okay, so wealth wise ठीक लग रहा है. but you have to avoid taking rash decisions. ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी से झगड़ा हुआ and you're like okay I want to resign. Don't do that, okay, because you may struggle later. So ऐसा नहीं करना है. Let's check your love life. How your love life specially is going to be. Aries Lagna, Aries Moon. Aries Lagna and Moon. Show me their love life, please. Aries Lagna and Moon. Aries Lagna and Moon. Show me their love life, especially their love life. Wow. Okay. Some of you are definitely finding your soulmates, getting married, or maybe getting a good marriage proposal for yourself towards the end of February, or maybe the start of next month. But I feel like for the most of you, I feel that there is so much that you're holding up to yourself. You are like at the crossroads. You don't want to take any decision, even when you know that things are not aligning, or maybe this relationship will not work out, maybe my connection with this person will not work out, but you still wanting to hold on to that, okay, hoping कि आगे सब ठीक हो जाएगा, चीज़ें ठीक हो जाएंगी. But I think it's high time that you take a practical decision when it comes to your love life, okay. अगर कोई इंसान आपको mixed signals दे रहा है, आपको अटका के रखा हुआ है, you have to find a way to get over with that person. Because the future looks very promising, okay. अगर आप एक इंसान को छोड़ोगे तभी आपको यूनिवर्स आपका स्पाउस सोलमेट आपको दे पाएगा, राइट. बट इफ़ यू आर सो स्टबर्न एंड बी लाइक कि नहीं मुझे तो इसी के साथ रहना है, मुझे यही चाहिए, देन यू आर जस्ट डीलिंग द प्रोसेस फॉर योर सेल्फ, ओके. सो बी लिटिल मोर ओपन बाय एरीज, बी लिटिल मोर ओपन, ओके. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स द उम्मी आप डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हो बेटा, उम्मी आप डिस्टर्ब कर रही हो. इधर आओ, इधर मेरा बच्चा, इधर आओ, डिस्टर्ब मत करो, ओके. सी व्हाट इज द लव मैसेज फॉर योर लव लाइफ. Aries Lagna and Moon. What are the love messages for Aries Lagna and Moon? Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others, okay. So Aries, if your friends are telling you that let's go to that party, there are some people I would like you to introduce with, do that, okay. Maybe your love life will get a lot of luck and fortune by going to that party. So if your friends are suggesting something specially in your love life, do that, okay. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. I think that's exactly I was telling you, Aries, when I was reading your love messages, your love cards. I told you that if you continue to be stuck on a person who's not giving you clarity, you will never find love. And that's exactly your guides are also telling you that you have to open your heart to give and receive the energy of love. Only then something can happen. Playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine, okay. So bring a little more playfulness in your life. And Ummi is there again. Ummi, seriously, like man, Ummi बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान कर रही हो बेटा. सोना नहीं है आपको, वैसे तो पूरे दिन सोती रहती है, अभी मैं काम कर रही हूँ तो उसको जगना है. Okay, let's check your guidance, Aries. Believe the force that works through your soul, determining what's possible or impossible. The difference between success over failure, and above all, who you are, is the power of your belief. Wow. So whatever you believe in, Aries, for the remaining month of February, I guess it's going to come true, okay? So if you feel that you have the soulmate, then you have to believe in the fact that you have the soulmate. If you want anything good in your love life or career or in yourself, you have to first start believing in within you, because anything you believe in here starts to shape your reality. Hi Taurus, welcome back to your reading for the month of February. Let's see कि आपके लिए February में क्या आ रहा है. The reading is valid from February 15 through February 28. So let's see आपकी energies कैसी रहेंगी for the remaining month of February. This is for Taurus, Lagna and Moon. Taurus, Lagna, Taurus, Moon. Conditioning, wow. Can you give me one more card, please? Celebration. Okay, Taurus, I really feel that for a lot of you, I think your belief system is going to change. And I think I got a very similar guidance for Aries as well. I think you're finally going to know your self-worth. Look at this. There is a lion amongst all the sheep. I don't know if you can see this, but if you do, okay. So you're finally going to understand that you don't belong to a place that you are trying to fit in, and you're not able to. Sometimes even if we are part of a group, we may not belong to that group. And if that happens, you will know, somehow you will know that you don't belong to this place. There will be an inner calling. And I think now, Taurus, you'll start having that calling that, okay, maybe this is not meant for me, maybe I don't belong to this place, maybe there is something more I need to see. So there is going to be conditioning. You're going to know your worth. And once you do, there is going to be celebration in your life. Look at that. Parties, social gatherings, reunions, fun, traveling, spending time with friends, family. Let's see क्या होने वाला है. Taurus, Lagna and Moon, general future for February. Taurus Lagna, Taurus Moon, general future for February. One more. Okay, wow. Taurus, a lot of opportunities I see for you. Okay, lots and lots of opportunities. Especially, if you are a social media person, like you, maybe you're a content creator like me, you may get a lot of collaborations. Okay, if you're looking out for a job, you may also receive like multiple offers. You may also be like, multitasking right now, or will be. You may be like, okay, I'm doing this job, but I also want to start with my, side job, or maybe side business. So you're basically working on multiple things at the same time. Okay, my only guidance here is, it's good that you're trying hands on multiple things, but don't get too confused that you mess up everything. Sometimes that happens when you try to be on different boats simultaneously. You just end up sinking yourself. Okay, so don't do that. But I really don't think you're going to, because you seem pretty humble with your approach. You have done the groundwork. You know what you're doing. And you're pretty smart. You're pretty smart. I feel like some good financial opportunity is also coming your way, something that can get you good money. You're also looking good with your finances. You're saving. It's looking very good for you, Taurus. Seriously, now I feel I wish I was a Taurus after watching this reading. With the Magician card, I think you're working on a lot of things. You're manifesting a lot of things, and not just that you're manifesting, but you're also pretty good at what you are desiring. A lot of times that does not happen, that people just want something, but they may or may not be good at it. But you are really good at what you have been asking from the universe. So that's good. Let's have a career reading. Let's see how your career will be. Sorry, I think I have a bad throat. Okay. Let's see how your career would be February, for the remaining month of February, Taurus, Lagna and Moon. Ummi, seriously, man, disturbing too much. Too much. Taurus, Lagna and Moon. One more. Here, okay, this is the multitasking I was talking about. Okay, you're just, some of you, maybe of course not all of you, but some of you are, as I told you, that doing the multiple things at the same time. So what is happening is you are just tiring yourself too much. Okay, you are your body needs rest, but you want to work because you have a lot of things to do. You want to achieve a lot of things. You have set a big target in your head and you want to achieve it. Okay, and Taurus mostly is all about money. They chase stability, money, and career and all of that. So you're very focused on that. But Taurus, let me tell you, and I think this is the caution I gave you earlier as well. Here is the Death card. Okay, there may be some endings, some things that you either you just mess up because you're focusing on a lot of things, and then you mess up, you goof up. Okay, so you have to be careful with your emails, with your work, everything that you send out. Double check, triple check it to be sure, really sure about it. So that's what I see. Seriously, Ummi, I also see that there may be some financial loss. Okay, like either you invest some money, say, let's say in a stock, and then it doesn't work very well. So you also have to be careful about where you put your money. There may be people with like hidden intentions at your workplace, especially women, especially older women, or women. Okay, someone may want to take favors from you at your workplace. Now, I'm not saying it like a sexual favor, but maybe otherwise this could be, like, hey, can you do this for me? Can you do that for me? Right? So someone is like taking advantage of your skills, your expertise, your because you're good at something, so they are trying to make you do extra work. So वहाँ पे भी आपको थोड़ा सा careful रहना है. You have to learn to say no wherever needed. Okay, otherwise लोग आपका advantage लेने वाले हैं, Taurus. in the month of February. But overall, I think you're looking very good. You just know what to do, how to do, when to do, right? So you're pretty good. Eventually आप finance में अच्छा ही करोगे. Some of you may get good remarks from your manager or authorities, you know, like management. Basically you may get like more responsibility, but not you know, because they want to take advantage of you, but because either they're planning to promote you, or you know, or because you're really good at what you're doing. So there may be some sort of appreciation as well coming your way, Taurus, in the month of February. Okay, all right, so that's about your career. Let's have a look into your love life and see वहाँ क्या चल रहा है फरवरी में Taurus की love life. Taurus लग्न, Taurus moon, Taurus लग्न, Taurus moon, क्या चल रहा है इनकी love life में? Oh, I just thought कि कोई कार्ड आया. Taurus लग्न, Taurus moon, क्या चल रहा है? Taurus, you do so well in everything, but why you struggle in your love life? Seriously. There may be some sudden endings in your love life. For some of you, it has already happened. For some of you, it will happen in February, maybe the end of February, mid of February, or maybe the start of next month. Okay. But something very sudden is happening, and it may come as a shock to you. Although I don't think that you won't be able to recover that, because Taurus being a very practical sign, it's an earth sign, so you can definitely get over with anything that comes your way. Because I feel that, you know, at the end of the day, Taurus knows that there are some things that are important and I have to do it irrespective of how I'm feeling right now, right? So I like that practicality in you, Taurus. But deep down, I think you may be feeling very burdened, very emotional, very, you know, may feel very betrayed. सो थोड़ा सा यू नो लव लाइफ में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम मुझे दिख रहा है फरवरी के महीने में. Taurus, I know you're very strong and very practical sign, and you can all, you know, do it yourself. But if at all you need help, external help, please take it. Understand, you don't have to be strong all the time. It's not needed. If you need help, if you feel, see, if the help is present around you, take it. It is there for you only. So take the help wherever needed. Let's check your love messages. Taurus के लिए क्या love guidance है? Deception, free yourself, make the effort. Deception, someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. That's exactly what I was telling you, Taurus, कि थोड़ा सा ना यहाँ पे मुझे deceptive vibe आ रही है. And that's why your guides are telling you to free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. So if you are in a toxic relationship, if you feel that something does not have a future and it's not aligning with your life purpose and all of that, just try to get yourself free out of it. And if you feel that, you know, the relationship is worth taking the effort, do that. But you have to be careful in your love life, Taurus. Don't be in that blind spot कि जहाँ पे आप, you know, कुछ भी believe कर ले रहे हो, right? You have to be little practical in your love life as well as you are in the other sector of your life. ठीक है? Guidance, Taurus, Lagna Moon. Give me a guidance for remaining February. Give me a guidance for remaining February. Reach out. Oh my God. That exactly I was telling you, right? That's exactly I was telling you. अभी मैं आपको बोल रही थी कि जब भी आपको मदद की ज़रूरत पड़े, please reach out, don't hesitate. And that's exactly, oh my God. I just love how cards reconfirm. Okay, we know you're reaching out right now for help due to a current situation. Support is as much about the physical act of accepting help where offered as it is about the emotional benefits and learning that it's truly okay to accept support however it's presented to you. Look at that, Taurus. Wow. Okay, I love it. So that's exactly what I was telling you कि जहाँ पे भी मदद की ज़रूरत हो प्लीज़ मांगो. ठीक है, मदद मांगने से आप छोटे नहीं हो जाओगे, आप वीक नहीं हो जाओगे. अगर आपको मदद मिलेगी तो आप यू नो चीज़ों को बेटर डील कर सकते हो. आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल आर सो हेजिटेंट अबाउट यू नो टेकिंग हीलिंग सेशंस. लाइक व्हाई? I take healings very regularly, almost every 6 months. I go for my Reiki healings and I don't have any shame accepting that. Like, I need it because I also have to deal with a lot of things in my day-to-day life. So I need healing and I go for it. Hi Gemini, welcome back to your readings. ये फरवरी मंथ की रीडिंग है. द रीडिंग इज़ वैलिड फ्रॉम February 15th through February 28th. Okay, these are your monthly predictions. Look your readings from your Lagna and Moon. Okay, so if your Lagna or Moon is Gemini, then this reading is for you. Let's see how your current energy is going to be moment to moment. Wow, I think that's exactly what I was telling to Aries as well. Some of you may be, you know, dealing with an Aries sign, or you may have Aries very prominent in your chart. Gemini, take one moment at a time. You don't have to prove anything to anyone. All right, so Gemini, Go one moment at a time, as I was saying, and do not compare your life with anyone else. Okay, comparison is not good. It's just not good for anybody, because it will either give you ego, or it will give you low confidence. So don't do that. Okay, your life is your life. You have your own journey, your own timeline. So if someone is doing better than you, it's their journey. If someone is not doing as good as you are, again, it's their journey. Let's see your general future if you're a Gemini moon or Lagna. Let's see your general future, like what you can expect between February 15th through February 28th. अरे कहाँ गए भाई? I saw some card flipping. Okay, anyways, आ जाएगा दोबारा. February 15th to February 28th. I saw it again. Ace of Cups. Wow, that talks about love, newfound love. Sometimes Ace of Cups is not always love as in romantic love. It can be like, you feel more connected to yourself. Gemini. Show me a general future for Gemini. Wow, there's a lot of love cards actually. All right. So some of you Gemini, you're literally like falling for a new person. Like literally there is a new person. I see a lot of water energy. So you may be connecting with water signs. Okay, you're single, love can just suddenly enter in your life. You may also feel very connected with your family, or you may also get to spend some time with your family. Your family may propose someone to you, like this is the person, this person is interested in you. Would you consider them for marriage, etc. Okay, so ऐसा कुछ भी हो सकता है. Overall, February and basically the end of February is looking good. The remaining month of February is looking very good for you, Gemini. There may be some sort of wish fulfillment. Emotionally, you're looking very good. Have a look in your career and see कि वहाँ पे क्या होने वाला है. ठीक है, लेट्स हैव अ लुक इन योर करियर में मुझे आप बहुत ज़्यादा खुश नहीं दिख रहे हो. ओके, करियर. वाई 4 ऑफ कप्स. ओके, सो जेमिनाई, सी ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे सम ऑफ यू मे नॉट बी फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी इन योर करियर, बिकॉज आपको ऐसा लगता है कि थिंग्स आर नॉट फेयर. आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि मे बी आपके साथ पॉलिटिक्स हो रही है, या आप ज़्यादा कर रहे हो पर उतना आपको रिज़ल्ट नहीं मिल रहा है. सो मुझे यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा इश्यूज़ लाइक करियर में इशू नहीं है, पर आपको इंटरनली बहुत सेटिस्फाइड फील नहीं हो रहा है. ओके, या तो अभी भी नहीं हो रहा है, या फिर आगे फरवरी में कुछ ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स होंगे कि आपको लगेगा कि नो, आई डोंट वांट दिस जॉब, आई वांट टू लीव. ओके, थोड़ा सा for some of you I also see travel and relocation, so you may be like traveling because of your work, or you may be relocating as well. Some of you I see you making good friends at your workplace. A romantic connection may start at your workplace. Someone may come really close to your heart. Okay, so new friendships, new relationships, relocations, travel, not feeling very satisfied at your work. Okay, ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे things are not fair with you. वो चीज़ आपको थोड़ा सा खलेगी. लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट योर लव लाइफ इन जनरल. जेमिनाई की कैसे जाने वाली है फरवरी में? लव लाइफ कैसी जाने वाली है? जेमिनाई, seriously, I saw one card. Okay, yeah, here it is. So we have the Temperance, the 6 of Wands, the 8 of Wands, the 9 of Wands, the 5 of Cups, the 10 of Cups. Okay, you definitely seem to heal in your love life. You're looking good. You are catching a lot of attention. Okay, maybe because you're working on yourself, you're looking good. People are generally feeling more attracted to you, and any which ways Gemini का ये trait भी है कि people just feel very naturally attracted to a Gemini person. Lot of conversations happening. Seriously, lot of dogs here. Okay, so Geminis, if you are married, especially I feel कि आपकी married life में थोड़ा सा issues मुझे दिख रहे हैं. If you are already married, feel like either you may not feel very connected to your partner, या मैरिज से रिलेटेड या फैमिली से रिलेटेड कुछ लॉसेस हैं जो आपने रिसेंटली फील किए हैं, रिसेंटली हुए हैं या फरवरी में होंगे. सो मैरिज और फैमिली में थोड़े इश्यूज़ मुझे दिख रहे हैं. ओके, या ये हो सकता है कि आपका जो पार्टनर है, ठीक है, आप दोनों अलग कास्ट से बिलोंग करते हो एंड वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है फैमिली का, ये इश्यूज़ हैं, बट अदरवाइज यू नो यू सीम टू बी लाइक हीलिंग in your love life. You're drawing boundaries, you know, you're working on yourself, you know what is your worth, and you don't seem to compromise with that. Okay, so ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे दिख रही हैं. All right, let's look at your guidance for the month of February. Memories. Your memories are like diamonds in the treasure chest of your spirit. More and more memories are arising within you. Remember the happier moments with your loved ones who are here in the spirit world, for neither time nor distance can stop the energy of love that you have for one another. So, I think the remaining month of February is going to be a lot of nostalgia for you, Gemini, because you seem to be like you're missing someone, you know, you're missing your loved ones who may or may not be there in this physical world. Some of them, you know, could be in the spirit world. तो आपको आपके लोगों की बहुत याद आ सकती है, आप उनको मिस कर सकते हो, थोड़ा सा लो इन एनर्जी आप फील कर सकते हो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. But you need to know that, you know, it's not about distance. Those who are your loved ones and those who are connected with you, irrespective how far or near they are always with you. Even if you lose them physically, you don't really lose them. Hi Cancer, welcome back to your reading for the month of February. The reading is valid through February 15th to February 28th. Okay, Cancer, Lagna and Moon, let's see how they are feeling. Wow. So Cancer, Lagna and Moon. See, for you, I feel that you're moving on in your life, okay? You're really not giving any damn to anyone anymore. You are sort of, you know, feeling complete in yourself. Even if you're single, doesn't matter. Even if you're single or you're married or whatever. Like, you have found your home within you. And you seem to be enjoying your own company, right? When you need guidance, you get guidance, external, internal, from God, universe, maybe some tarot reader, right? But you get the guidance that you need, okay? Because your spirit guides are protecting you, I feel. But overall, I see a very, you know, content energy, I can say. Umi, your tail. Okay. Let's see how your February going to be like in general. This is for Cancer, Cancer, Lagna and Moon. Cancer, Lagna and Moon. How the energies are looking. Oh, okay. There may be some travels at the end of the month or start of the next month. Financially, as the month ends, things are looking good. Okay. फेबररी मिड से थोड़ा सा मुझे फाइनेंशियल क्रंच आपके बीच में, मतलब आपकी लाइफ में दिख रहा है. एंड नॉट दैट यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग टू हेल्प योर सेल्फ, बट इट सीम्स लाइक इट्स नॉट वर्किंग आउट. यू आर जस्ट लुकिंग टू बिजी डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, लॉट ऑफ जगलिंग, कि यहाँ से निकाल के वहाँ डाल दे, वहाँ से निकाल के यहाँ डाल दे, बट थोड़ा स्ट्रगल दिख रहा है. ठीक है. यू ऑल्सो लुकिंग इमोशनल कैंसर, बट अभी जो है ना, यू आर नॉट ऑल ओवर द प्लेस, बिकॉज कैंसर्स के साथ प्रॉब्लम ये है कि दे जस्ट टेंड टू गेट टू इमोशनल, okay, and then they somehow lose the boundaries. At least for the remaining month of February, I don't see that. I see you being emotional, but also very much in control of your emotions, which is good. This is something that you have learned over the time. As I said, travel dikh raha hai. Some of you may be traveling, some of you may be like traveling internationally, or you may be like making plans to travel international. Okay, you may be connecting with different people over the internet as well. But overall, this is a good energy, I would say, Cancer. It's a good energy. Let's have a look at your career. Cancer, Lagna, Cancer, Moon. Let's have a look at your career and see कि वहाँ क्या चल रहा है. फूल की एनर्जी बहुत ज़्यादा आ रही है मुझे, which is the energy of new beginnings, right? So I guess you're re-beginning. Beginning again. What is ending here? What's with the death card? Okay. आई फील लाइक कि काम को लेकर आप अपना अप्रोच थोड़ा सा चेंज कर सकते हो. सम ऑफ यू लाइक वांटिंग टू चेंज योर जॉब, चेंज योर करियर, मे बी वांटिंग टू स्टार्ट अ न्यू करियर, वांटिंग टू यू नो डू अ हैंड्स ऑन विद समथिंग न्यू. तो कुछ एक नई चीज़ आपकी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में आप इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहते हो. पुरानी चीज़ों को लेके थोड़ा स्ट्रगल अभी भी हो सकता है ऑफिस में, राइट? ऐसा हो सकता है कि लाइक यू वर्किंग रियली हार्ड, बट some people at your workplace are not really recognizing your efforts. Okay, and this is something that may piss you off very badly. और ये भी हो सकता है कि because of this pissing off, right, you may want to start looking for a new job. You're like कि okay, अगर मेरे efforts नहीं recognize करने then I'm not interested in your company. But I would say कि don't take any random decisions. You know, अच्छे से आप search करो, see what you're good at, what you want to do, whether you have another offer, और फिर ही कुछ decision लेना. But आपके career में I do see a lot of new things you're trying to introduce, something new you're trying to introduce in your work, in your career. Let's have a look in your love life, Cancer. In your love life, Justice, Four of Wands, Queen of Swords, Queen of Cups is again here, Eight of Cups. Oh my god, Cancer, what a badass you have become. You really don't seem to give a damn to anybody. You're like, you know, if you don't match up to my energies, or if you don't respect my boundaries, or you don't align with my energies, I'm sorry, I cannot waste my time on you. Okay, that is the kind of energy I'm seeing here. Even if it is like you love the person or you don't love the person, on your, or you're married or unmarried, doesn't matter. You know, you have very strong boundaries around you. And even though if someone leaves you, you are in pain, but you still don't want to give up on your boundaries. It's like you know your worth. Okay, and you're ready to leave anyone, everything that you have ever acquired in your life. You are ready to give it up for your self-respect, and I love that. Oh my god, kudos. Let's see your love messages, Cancer. Pay attention to the red flags, wedding, and can I get more? Forgiving and learning. Okay, so you have to pay attention to the red flags, Cancer. If someone is not behaving right up to the mark, you have to take that person out. You may be interested in getting married, or maybe attending someone's marriage, or maybe getting marriage proposals. Forgiving and learning, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. Some of you, you need to do your, you know, healing related to the past events. So for example, if there is any trauma that you are currently like that's there in your heart, and you feel that you need the healing, please go with it. Okay, I don't know why people hesitate so much when they think about healing, whereas I take Reiki healings every 6 months. Serenity. So that's your guidance. The most important relationship you can have is with yourself. Oh my god. Isn't this that we have been talking in your entire reading? This is the thing we have been talking in your entire reading. You know, I'm telling you that you know your boundaries, you know your self-worth, you're not giving a damn to anybody, and that's exactly your guidance also says. Wow, I love it. This is a time to honor, nurture, and love yourself more by seeking out and removing any negative feelings and emotions that are left over from yesterday. Don't let past issues and resentments interfere with your serenity today, right? So that's again talking about healing. If you feel negative about something, don't let it, come in your way and just interfere with your serenity. If you feel that you need the healing, go for it. Don't hesitate. This pain is much better than the pain you will feel throughout your life if you continue to be in a toxic relationship. Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your monthly reading from February 15th through February 28th. Okay, let's see. Wow, मतलब लियो बोला और कार्ड भी देखो शेर का आ गया. The first card, the energies for you, Leo, like conditioning and existence. Well, that's beautiful, because a lot of you I see you guys are recognizing your true worth, okay? This means that you know where you belong to, you know your skills, you know your talents, you know what you deserve, and nobody can manipulate you anymore, right? So Leos, it is very beautiful because I see most of the times people don't know what they deserve, and that's why they always end up settling for something that is too less. So you're recognizing, you know what group you belong to. So Leo, if you ever feel not belong with a particular group of people, that's only because you're conditioning. That's because you are getting to know your worth. You know that even though you want to be a part of a certain group, but you don't belong to them. Okay, the more you know yourself, the more you are getting in that energy of existence where you're not chasing. Okay, you're not hustling too much, you're observing everything around you, the people, life, the kids, the nature and everything, and you don't want to interfere. And that is a very beautiful mental state to be in, where you observe everything, but you don't want to change anything. You don't want to change, you don't want to chase. You're like happy, you're content with whatever it is. And you have drawn boundaries around you, and you're not letting any toxic person to cross that. Let's see a general future for Leo Lagna and Leo Moon. General future for Leo Lagna and Moon. जिन लोगों का भी लियो लग्न है, मून है, उन लोगों के लिए क्या आ रहा है? We have the Six of Wands, we have the Ace of Swords, we have the King of Cups, and we have the Queen of Swords. Wow. Leo, what's happening here? Okay. Well, work-wise, you're doing great. You know, especially if you are, say, a content creator or you do something on social media, I think you're going to get a lot of, recognition. You may also earn from social media. So if you're trying, in case if you want to be a part of social media, maybe you can try that in February. And this is the hot and cold I was talking about. You see King of Swords and King of Cups, two very different personalities. So you may get some hard time or some hot and cold behavior from a person who is very, very important in your life. They could be your lover, they could be, your boss or colleague, your friend or your family, your father, right? So someone here, but I feel like it's a masculine energy. So someone of a masculine energy may try to, may just give you a lot of hot and cold nature. And sometimes it just makes you very confused, as in, you're like, what do you want? What do you want from me? Okay. And this is the kind of boundaries I was talking about, Leo. You are not ready to take the shit from anybody. Okay. When something is trying to bring a karmic loop in your life, you immediately know it. You know that, okay, if I do this, I'll be stuck in a paradox, in a loop with this person. And then I'll be more sad than what I am right now. So do I want to do that? No. I want to cut that person off out of my life. Okay. So I think a lot of cutting is going to happen, Leo, for you as the month ends, because you don't want to take shit from anybody. You're not ready for any shit. You know your boundaries, you know your worth, and you know that you don't deserve a certain kind of treatment from people. And you're not going to take that. Let's see your career. Let's see your career, Leo. Career for Leo. February 15th, career for Leo. February 15th. Wow. Wow. Leo, I think the efforts are finally paying off. You may have implemented certain new strategies for your work, your business, or whatever you do. You're trying new stuff. If I do this work like this, and I change my approach and I change the way I do it, is it going to benefit me more, or is it going to be more productive? And I think it's happening. So any change you make in your style of working or in your strategies are going to give you fruitful result. Some of you are beginning something new, something different, something that you probably have not done before, but you want to do it because you want to explore. So there is some sort of newness coming in your career. Remaining February is looking very good in terms of your career. Your efforts are being recognized, paid off. Universe is going to support you if you do something new. There may be some travels as well involved in terms of career or some kind of paperwork. So you may have to travel for some paperwork or for your career or just to see your family, right? So that's what I see. All right, Leo, let's have a look in your love life. Show me their love life. Show me their love life for the remaining month of February. Leo Lagna and Leo Moon, show me their love life for the remaining month of February. We have the Ace of Cups, the Justice, the Ten of Wands, the Queen of Wands, and the Three of Swords. Wow, what is this? Like I've got all sorts of cards here for you, Leo. There is new love for you if you're single. Okay, if you're single, there is new love for you. If you're not, then you're just loving yourself, you know. You're feeling very content, you're emotionally connecting with yourself. As I told you, you're drawing boundaries. You have sort of surrendered and left everything onto universe and be like कि अगर ये मेरे लिए है तो मुझे मिल जाएगा, but I don't want to put in a lot of effort. मुझे लग रहा है कि any situation that drains you in your love life, you're just going to leave. You're not gonna stay for anything that gives you a lot of trauma, lots of pain, lots of stress. You just don't want stress. You're the queen of wands. Look at that. You're the queen of wands. You're confident, you're beautiful, you know your worth, you don't give a damn. Okay. यहाँ पे 3 of swords का भी कार्ड है, which means there may be some heartbreaking situation happening in your love life, you know, towards the end of the month. तो थोड़ा सा आपको केयरफुल रहने की ज़रूरत है. Let's see what's the love messages for you, Leo, Lagna, Leo, Moon. What are the romance angels like to say to you? Okay. Let go of the control issues. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. Leo, you know, there are some things that you can't control and it's better you don't. So in case you want to control your love life too much or you want to control your person too much, don't do that. Some things are better if they unfold naturally. So in case if you have that control issues within you, just try to get rid of that. Okay, this could be the one. You already met the romantic partner you seek. So some of you, wow, okay, this is great because for some of you, you have already met your spouse, your soulmate. You know, your soulmate, your spouse is already in your life or in the close vicinity, or there was someone too good to be true, you know, someone that you thought you know that this could go till marriage or this could go like a long-term commitment. So someone you had a lot of hopes with, so you may have that person in your life. Let's look at your guidance for the remaining month of February. Wow, that's how fast I want. Ground yourself. Being distracted, unfocused, tired, irritated, impatient are all signs that you're not grounded. Now is the time to become centered and allow spirit to help you ground yourself and reconnect with the divine source. So अगर आपको ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही हैं कि आप थोड़ा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे हो, फोकस का इशू हो रहा है, टायर्ड फील कर रहे हो, सो रहे हो, इरिटेटेड हो, इम्पेशेंट हो, थोड़ा सा ग्राउंडिंग की ज़रूरत है आपको. ठीक है, ग्राउंडिंग आप कैसे करते हो? यू क्लेंस योर सेल्फ, यू टेक हीलिंग्स लाइक रेकी हीलिंग्स, एंड देन you know, you sort of connect more with the nature. You take salt water bath, you walk barefoot on the ground. So ये सारी चीज़ों से आप अपनी grounding करते हो. ठीक है, so अगर आपको ये सारे problems हो रहे हैं, so you need to ground yourself a little bit. Hi Virgo, welcome back to your reading. This is your monthly predictions from February 15th through February 28th. Let's see आपकी energies कैसी रहने वाली हैं. Innocence, I think the same card I got for Aries as well. So you may have like prominent Aries placements in your chart, or you could be dealing with an Aries. I see innocence and lovers. Wow, so there is the soulmate energy I see for you, Virgo, and you are attracting the soulmate because you have a lot of innocence, a lot of charm in you, right? Like manipulation is not going to work in your love life. You know, I'm getting this message that someone is feeling very attracted to you because you seem genuine to them, because you don't seem like you're manipulating, you don't seem like you have hidden intentions, you seem very pure to this person, and you are pure. You know, I see your energy being very innocent, very baby like. You may be wanting to connect with the child in you. You may be wanting to revisit your, you know, childhood memories. Maybe you want to do things you used to do in your childhood when you were a child, all of that. But I do see a lover's energy, as in a soulmate energy coming in. Okay, let's see. अभी देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. This is for Virgo, Lagna and Moon. Virgo, Lagna and Moon. February general future मुझे दिखाइए. February general future. छोटू, show me February general future for Virgo. I just feel like someone is holding some bad intentions towards you, as in someone is wanting to fight with you, or maybe you had a fight with this person and now they're just waiting for the moment when they can hop on you, you know, like they can pounce on you and like really somehow damage your image or something, or maybe give you some financial loss. So be careful. अगर आपका रिसेंटली किसी के साथ झगड़ा वगड़ा हुआ है, ओके, तो थोड़ा सा आपको ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है। ऑल्सो मुझे लग रहा है सम ऑफ यू यू नो यू वांट टू एनरोल, यू वांट टू लाइक एडवांस योर स्किल्स, यू वांट टू मे बी एनरोल इन सम कोर्सेज, यू वांट टू अपस्किल योर सेल्फ, लर्न समथिंग न्यू। ऐसा भी हो रहा है, तो हो सकता है आप हायर स्टडीज़ के लिए या कुछ कोर्सेज के लिए एनरोल करें। फाइनेंशियल अबंडेंस दिख रही है, ग्राउंडिंग दिख रही है, फाइनेंशियली यू आर डूइंग गुड। बट यहाँ पे ना मुझे किसी मैस्कुलिन फिगर के, क्योंकि 2 कार्ड्स आ गए हैं मैस्कुलिन फिगर के, मुझे किसी मैस्कुलिन फिगर के इंटेंशन आपके लिए सही नहीं लग रहे हैं, तो आपको थोड़ा सा केयरफुल रहना पड़ेगा। ओके, दिस कुड बी योर बॉस, एनी फादर फिगर, एनीवन इन द फैमिली, कुड बी योर बॉयफ्रेंड एज वेल। बट कोई तो है हु इज़ सॉर्ट ऑफ स्नीकिंग आउट, यू नो, दिस पर्सन इज़ वेरी स्नीकी, गिविंग मी अ वेरी स्नीकी एनर्जी। So either they don't speak their heart out, they are like maybe talking something but they are meaning something else, or maybe there are something you know in front of you but there are something else behind you. तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा आपको केयरफुल होने की ज़रूरत है वर्गो, ठीक है। बेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज़ लुकिंग गुड। लेट्स लुक एट योर करियर वर्गो, लुक एट योर करियर इन February. Look at your career in February. I'm getting a lot of Fool cards here. Wow. I mean, a lot of you are actually starting something new. 7 of Wands, 7 of Swords फिर से आ गया है। क्या मतलब है यार इसका, ये कार्ड बार बार क्यों आ रहा है? पैसों को लेके आपको सच में थोड़ा केयरफुल रहने की ज़रूरत है वर्गो। सी, फाइनेंशियली यू आर डूइंग गुड, एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ऑल्सो। पैसा आपका अच्छा है। समवन इज़ लाइक वेटिंग फॉर सम अपॉर्चुनिटी टू टेक रिवेंज ऑन यू, ओके। थोड़ा सा आपको केयरफुल वहाँ पे रहने की ज़रूरत है। करियर में आप कुछ नया ट्राई कर सकते हो, कोई नया बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने का सोच सकते हो या कर सकते हो। स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसा डाल सकते हो या मे बी यू नो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कर सकते हो, जैसे गोल्ड और सिल्वर, समथिंग लाइक दैट। सो करियर वाइज फाइनेंशियली इट इज़ गुड। थोड़ा सा सेकेंड हाफ में मुझे आप थोड़े से यू नो टायर्ड लग रहे हो, वेयर यू आर लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू टेक अ ब्रेक फ्रॉम एवरीथिंग एंड आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू टेक अ रेस्ट फॉर सम टाइम। तो ऐसी एनर्जी आ रही है रेस्टिंग वाली। मुझे लगता है पास्ट की कुछ चीज़ें हैं जिसको लेके ना आप अभी भी थोड़े से डिस्टर्ब्ड हो सकता है पास्ट में किसी ने आपको चीट किया हो, फाइनेंशियली चीट किया हो, ऑफिस में यू नो आपके साथ अच्छा बिहेव नहीं किया, आपको मैनिपुलेट किया, आपको परेशान किया। तो कभी कभार ना ऐसा होता है कि यू नो वो सारी मेमोरीज़ आपके यू नो आने लग जाती हैं आपके सामने, एंड फिर आप उस बड़े नेगेटिव जोन में चले जाते हो, एंड यू आर लाइक कि कहीं ये वापस से मेरे साथ ना हो जाए। सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अनदर ट्रोमा जो यू नो कुछ ना कुछ इवेंट्स की वजह से ट्रिगर हो जाता है। बट अदरवाइज़ यू नो फाइनेंशियली करियर में आप अच्छा ही कर रहे हो। जस्ट मेक श्योर कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा पास्ट के बारे में ना सोचो और अपने प्रेजेंट पे फोकस करो। लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट योर लव लाइफ वर्गो एंड सी कैसा जाएगा फरवरी में, आपकी लव लाइफ कैसी रहने वाली है। वर्गो लग्न, वर्गो मून। We have the Justice, we have the 4 of Wands, King of Cups and the 8 of Swords. Okay, as I told you ना, आपका पहला कार्ड ही लवर्स का आया था। सी, when I checked your energies and I told you कि सोलमेट एनर्जी मुझे दिख रही है, और देखो लव लाइफ में भी वो सेम चीज़ है। मुझे लगता है वर्गो सी स्ट्रगल तो आपने बहुत किया होगा अपनी लव लाइफ में। ओके, कमेंट में मुझे बताना इफ़ दैट्स ट्रू। मुझे लग रहा है काफ़ी टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप से गुजरे हो, काफ़ी बार दिल टूटा है, बट अब जो है फाइनली मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपने अपने यू नो सारे लेसन सीख लिए हैं, काफ़ी लेसन सीख लिए हैं, एंड नाउ फाइनली समवन इज़ रेडी टू कम इनटू योर लाइफ। किंग ऑफ कप्स, 4 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स, बड़ी मुझे यू नो वाटर एनर्जी दिख रही है, फायर एनर्जी दिख रही है। समवन इज़ लुकिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन यू, मे प्रपोज टू यू फॉर मैरिज, फॉर रिलेशनशिप। लेकिन जब ये पर्सन आएगा आपकी लाइफ में, आपको ना ध्यान रखना है, 8 ऑफ सॉर्ड्स की एनर्जी यहाँ पे आ रही है। आपको ध्यान रखना है कि आप वापस से अपनी पुरानी चीज़ें या आपका जो पुराना ट्रोमा है, पुराना फियर है, वो आप अपने करंट रिलेशनशिप पे या फ्यूचर रिलेशनशिप में मत थोपना। ओके, बिकॉज आई फील दैट यू मे डू दैट बिकॉज somehow in your love life you know you are acting from the space of fear and insecurities, because maybe आपकी पास्ट लाइफ कह रही हो, यू नो पास्ट में मे बी किसी ने आपको चीट किया हो, आपके साथ ऑनेस्ट ना रहा हो, आपको घोस्ट किया हो, राइट। सो यू मे हैव डेवलप दोज फियर्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू लव लाइफ कि हाँ सब मेरे साथ ऐसा ही करेंगे, बट नो दैट्स नॉट ट्रू, दैट्स नॉट गोना हैपन दिस टाइम। सो प्लीज़ डोंट यू नो put up your insecurities on your person, new person जो भी आने वाला है. But I do see a proposal coming over. What are the love messages for you, Virgo? Codependency, exactly what I was talking about. Give your relationship a chance. See, it says codependency, addictions are affecting your love life. Okay, ये codependency हो सकता है आपने अपनी पास में अपनी किसी रिलेशनशिप में दिखाई हो, या फिर अब जब कोई पर्सन आपकी लाइफ में आएगा तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको ये कोडिपेंडेंसी दोबारा नहीं शो करनी है, आपको एडिक्शन नहीं करना है, आपको ऑब्सेशन नहीं होना है कि मेरे पर्सन से मुझे बात करनी है, मुझे उसी के साथ घूमना है, मुझे उसी के साथ रहना है, मुझे वही चाहिए, वो खुश तो मैं खुश, वो दुखी तो मैं दुखी, उसने मुझे ये बोल दिया, उसने मुझे वो बोल दिया. बेसिकली you guys are saying that it's good that you are in love, but don't make that person your entire life, your entire world. कि मतलब वो है तो जहान है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. The moment you make your person the center of your universe, you're messed up. Okay, don't do that. So don't be codependent. A relationship should be like, it should help you progress in life, not be the reason of your existence. So don't do that. Give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. So if you do have one, if you do get one, work on it. And as I've been telling you that don't project your insecurities on your relationship. Maybe you do that. You please confirm that to me in the comments. Okay, let's see what your guidance is, Virgo. Virgo Lagna, Virgo Moon. Let's see what your guidance is for the remaining February. Gratitude. Life is one big continuous circle of giving and receiving energy. Be thankful for who and what's in your life instead of complaining about what you don't have. If you focus on gratitude, you'll start to attract prosperity and abundance. Exactly. Okay? So be grateful for what you have, and just forget what you don't. Do not focus on things that you are lacking in your life. Instead, focus on what you have and be grateful for that. Show gratitude. Practice it. If you don't if you don't have the habit, then practice it. Say thank you to your body, to your helpers, to your family, to like internal organs of your body. I do that. I practice gratitude every day. When you start, the moment you get up in the morning, start with a gratitude. Thank you, God, for waking me today. Thank you that I'm able to see the sun today. Thank you that I have the food. Thank you for this life. Thank you for this job, right? So that's how you can start practicing gratitude in your life. So this is your monthly predictions from February 15th through February 28th. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you'll resonate with this. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. This really motivates me. Share this reading with your friends so that they can also get guidance. And I will see you again with another reading very, very soon.